This Bosch 8 inches single bevel sliding compound miter saw features a Bosch-exclusive design, delivering a well-balanced saw with a top carry handle at the center of gravity and weighing only 37 pounds. These features easily provide one-handed portability on and off the job. Accessible controls make it easy to change bevel settings without reaching behind the saw. The integrated expanding workpiece supports large, easy-to-read mitre and bevel scales, and detent system provides quick and accurate cuts. Uniform marks from 52 degrees left to 60 degrees right with 10 adjustable mitre detents set at most common cuts. This Bosch also has the same crosscut capacity, 12¾ inches, as a 10 inches mitre saw. At 30% the weight. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Convenient. This Bosch features a bevel lock lever and bevel turret stops located on the side of the tool for quick and easy adjustments without reaching behind the saw. The saw also features easy-to-read mitre and bevel scales. Number 2. Supportive. The mitre saw provides integrated expanding base extensions that expand up to 29 inches left to right for additional workpiece support. Bevel angle range, -2 degrees to 47 degrees. Number 3. Convenient. Features a mitre detent override, an intuitive, easy-to-access thumb-actuated override, as well as a clear lower guard for an unobstructed view of the saw in action. The detent system provides quick and accurate cuts. Number 4. Portable. This Bosch mitre saw CM8S has the same crosscut capacity of 12¼ inches as a 10 inches mitre saw, but is 30% lighter. The Bosch-exclusive design provides ultimate portability with a top carry handle and a weight of just 37 pounds. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can a metal cutting blade be used on this saw? Answer. You can cut non-ferrous metals like aluminum with the appropriate blade. Question number 2. What is the maximum depth of cut with the 8½ inches blade? Can it cut through a 4x4 without having to turn the material? Answer. The maximum cutting depth is 3 inches for cutting. Question number 3. Does this saw have electric brake? If it does, how fast does the blade stop? Answer. This Bosch mitre saw does not have an electric brake. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.